Yeah, I've just had a second shower. 24 cans of malt liquor. Well, we're at the pub later. And I've 3 jars, packet of real crisps and a cigar to sit out in the garden. We're going live in the pub garden. Right, I've got me Wranglers on. I prefer you sent me a brand new pair of Timberland shoes. First time I've worn these. And this is me Ben Sherman. That's what I'll be wearing when I go to the pub tonight when I have 3 jars. Yeah, you go boss. Yeah, you go boss.
A few moments later.
Fucking Seagull's fucking shit on me. I've got to wash this coat now, fucking bastards. Look. Fucking Seagull's fucking shit all over me coat. I've got to put this coat in the washer. Fucking get dressed up. First time I get dressed up in a long while, and some fucking Seagull fucking shit on me.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Couldn't believe it, first time I dressed up in ages. Put some decent clother on, and some fucking Seagull shat all over me fucking Ben Sherman coat. Couldn't believe it, man. I couldn't believe it. I thought typical that is. That's just typical. Just had a shower, put some nice clothes on. Just soon as I step outside the car, Seagull fucking shits on me. Eh? So I've got to have another shower. Can't believe it, man. Fucking first time I put some decent clothes on, Ben Sherman coat, and Seagull shits. Oh, and he got a fucking towel now. You bastard. So I've got to wash all my clothes now. So I've had 2 showers today. Fucking Seagull shit all over me. If a fucking Seagull comes round to my fucking house to harm me, I'll kill the bastard. I fucking will kill ya. I swear down, I've just told the police that.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Look. Fucking Seagulls. Listen, what some fucking Seagull did to me, you getting a bastard what he done to me. That's your fucking fault. When I get you, I'm gonna fucking rip you. I'm gonna fucking destroy you. Don't you think you're off the fucking hook? I'm gonna forget. I'm not gonna forget about you, man. I think about you every fucking day. And when I fucking see you, I'm gonna fucking destroy you. And I fucking won't destroy you! I'm not fucking idiot! I fucking won't destroy you! Do you think you're fucking off the fucking up? Cause I won't fucking destroy you! I'm coming for you, you fucking bastard! You think you can go off in this fucking sunset when I fucking see you? I'm gonna fucking knock you fucking flying, man! I'm gonna fucking pulverise you! Don't you give me fucking eyes, yeah? Think I'm a fucking tough cunt! You fucking bastard! I'm showing no fucking mercy, man! I'm not showing no fucking mercy! What you fucking done to me? You fucking bastard! I'm gonna be your fucking worst nightmare when I fucking get hold of you! I'm gonna pull right on live on fucking broadcast! I'm gonna fucking destroy you, you fucking bastard! Fucking bastard! I'll never fucking forgive you. No fucking forgive you, you fucking bastard! What you done to me? I'm gonna fucking pulverise you! You fucking bastard! I want revenge, man. Right, YouTubers. KFC for me, my lad. What did you give me a load of shit for? I'm paying for me, my lad.